Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, is one of the oldest cities in Europe. It has a rich history that includes influences from various civilizations, such as the Romans, Moors, and Christians. In the 15th century, Lisbon became a key player in the Age of Exploration, launching voyages that opened up trade routes to Africa, India, and Brazil. This wealth and global influence transformed the city into a grand maritime power. After suffering a devastating earthquake in 1755, Lisbon rebuilt with a flourish, giving rise to the distinctive Pombaline architecture. Now let's check out the best places to visit, tasty local foods to try, and some helpful tips to make your time here absolutely unforgettable. Our first stop is the Jerónimos Monastery, a testament to Portugal's Age of Discovery. This Manueline masterpiece is not only stunning for its intricate design, but also for its historical significance, as it once served as a hub for Portuguese explorers. Just across the street, you will find Monument to the Discoveries. The top of the monument, reached via a lift, offers fascinating views of the Tagus River, Belém Tower, and the Jerónimos Monastery. Next, we'll stop by the iconic Castelo de São Jorge. This historic castle stands majestically over the city, offering panoramic views of Lisbon. Its rich past and strategic location make it an unmissable spot for history buffs. The Belém Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to Portugal's Age of Discoveries. This fortress, adorned with ornate stonework, offers panoramic views of Lisbon. Its historical significance and architectural marvel make it a must-see. Venture into the heart of Lisbon, the Alfama district. Known for its narrow streets and vibrant atmosphere, it's a cultural hub. Experience fado music, visit the local flea market, or just lose yourself among the colorful buildings. Commerce Square, a large, harbor-facing plaza in Lisbon. It is surrounded by distinctive yellow Pombaline-styled buildings, with the southern side facing out over the Tagus River. If you have time, you can take a day trip to Sintra by train. This fairy tale-like town in the hills outside Lisbon, with its Pana National Palace. As well as Quinta da Regaleira, it's like a magical garden in Portugal filled with secret tunnels, mystical wells, and beautiful architecture to explore. Portuguese cuisine is an integral part of the Lisbon experience. From seafood to sweets, Lisbon's food scene is a culinary journey worth exploring. The pastel de nata, an egg tart pastry, is an iconic treat in Lisbon. The creamy custard center and flaky crust make it irresistible. Check out Pastéis de Belém, the birthplace of pastel de nata, is just a few minutes' walk from Jerónimos Monastery. Francesinha, this unique sandwich, layered with different meats and covered in melted cheese and a hot, thick tomato and beer sauce, originated in Porto, but is now equally loved in Lisbon. Next on the list is bacalhau, Portugal's famous salted cod dish, prepared in various ways. In Lisbon, the most popular version is bacalhau à brás, a delightful mix of shredded cod, potatoes, and onions, scrambled with eggs. After savoring the main dishes, it's time for a traditional Portuguese liqueur, ginginha. This cherry-based drink is sweet yet strong, typically served in a shot glass with a cherry at the bottom. Now let's talk about the best time to visit Lisbon. The city enjoys a Mediterranean climate, making it a year-round destination. However, spring and fall are ideal for tourism. The weather is mild, the city is less crowded, and local events and festivities are in full swing. Finally, tips and tricks. Check out Tram 28. This vintage tram offers an iconic tour of the city, weaving through narrow streets and steep hills. However, it can get quite crowded, so it's advisable to catch an early ride to avoid the rush. Lisbon is hilly with many cobblestone streets, so comfortable walking shoes are essential. Don't miss the sunset from one of Lisbon's many viewpoints. Join us next time as we continue our journey, exploring the world's most captivating cities. Until then, safe travels.